We have two equalities now. So using the concept of solution to solve a simultaneous linear equation, they have not specified the numbers, but they have given the numbers are in the ratio 3:8. I don't know what is the quantity that I should subtract, but I have to subtract from both ratio. So let me write 7:4 in the fraction form. So whenever you have more than one ratio, first you should verify whether all the quantities have the same value. Hello everyone, this is your Shruti ma'am welcoming you to the second session of ratios and proportion. So let us see what we have recalled in our previous session. So let us see what are the topics we have learnt in our previous session before going to the topics of today's session. In our previous class, we have learnt what do you mean by ratio. So what is ratio? A ratio is nothing but a relationship. It is used to comparing quantities of the same kind. And we have also learned different types of ratio: inverse ratio, compound ratio, duplicate, subduplicate, triplicate and subtriplicate ratio, ratio with greater inequality and ratio with lesser inequality. So with all these concepts, we will move on by taking few problems on ratios in our today's session. These problems carries 2 or 3 marks in your examination question paper. So let us see one by one. Find the ratio between two numbers such that their sum is 40 and their difference is 8. So when you have an unknown quantity, whenever you are not known anything, so the thing is you're supposed to take an algebraic variable, either x, b, a, b. So here they have given two numbers. So their sum is 50 and their difference is 8. I don't know what are the numbers. So I'll take let the numbers are x and y. And they have given the condition that their sum is 40. What is sum? X plus y. That is 40. Next, and their difference is 8. So given x minus y is 8. We have two equalities now. So using the concept of solution to solve a simultaneous linear equation, we can see. So let me take this as equation 1 and equation 2. Add 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 implies x plus x is 2x plus y minus y get cancels. So next 40 plus 8 you have 48. So therefore 2x is equal to 48 implies x is equal to 24. So this is the value of x now. So substitute the value of x in any one of the equation. So let me take equation 1 only. This implies in the place of x I am substituting 24. So 24 plus y is equal to 40, or y is equal to 40 minus 24, which is nothing but 16. So therefore the value of your y is 16. Now let me check the condition. Their sum must be equal to 40. What is 24 plus 16? It is 40. Their difference is 8. What is 24 minus 16? It is 8. This is how we will find an unknown quantities using the concept of ratios. What is their difference? 24 minus 16 is 8. They have told you to write the two numbers in terms of ratio. I have got x as 24 and y as 16. So therefore, x is to y is equal to 24 is to 16. Next question. If a ratio is 3:8 and difference between the quantity is 25, find the quantity. They have not specified the numbers, but they have given the numbers are in the ratio 3:8. So, and their difference is 25. Let me take the number as 3x and 8x. Let the numbers are 3x and 8x. They have given their difference is 25. So clearly 8x is maximum than 3x I can take. So therefore I'll take their difference. 8x minus 3x is equal to 25. I will get 5x is equal to 25. So x is equal to 5 I will get. What are the numbers then? We have to find the quantity. So therefore the numbers are, one number is 3x. So 3 into 5, that is 15, and other number is 8x, that is 8 into 5 is 40. According to the question, their difference is 25. 40 minus 15 is 25. So therefore our answer is perfect. Next, two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If 5 is added to each, they are in the ratio 2:3. Find the number. So two numbers are in the ratio 3:5 means, let me take the number as 3x and 5x. Let the numbers are 3x and 5x. So if 5 is added to each, if I add 5 to both, so first let me write the numbers in the form of x by y. So I will get 3x by 5x. What is given if 5 is added to each? Let me add 5 to each. Then that is equal to 2:3. That means it is equal to 2/3. So ratio, convert them into fraction. Our numbers are 3x and 5x. 5 is added to each. Then they are equal to the ratio 2:3. That is nothing but 2/3. So let me cross multiply these two. What I will get? 9x plus 15 is equal to 10x plus 10. So when you solve this, solving x, you will get x is equal to 15 minus 10, 5. So x is equal to 5 you got, but what are the numbers? One number is 3x and the other number is 5x. So multiply with x. So therefore the numbers are, one is 3 into 5, which is 15, and 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So these are the two numbers. Next, what must be subtracted from each term in the ratio 7:4 so that it becomes 5:2? So I don't know what I should subtract, but I should subtract the same quantity. Then that is equal to the ratio 5:2. So since the ratio is given in the form of 7:4, so let me take it as, let numbers are 7x and 4x. So when I subtract some number so that the ratio becomes 5:2, that means let me subtract. So let A is subtracted from both. So if I subtract, it becomes 7x minus A by 4x minus A. Then this is equal to the quantity 5 divided by 2. That is 5:2. 14x minus 2A is equal to 20x minus 5A. So now subtract this. You will get it as 20x minus 14x is equal to 5a minus 2a. So this is 6x is equal to 3a, or 3 ones are 3 twos are. A is equal to 2x. So next question, what must be subtracted from each term in the ratio 7:4 so that it becomes 5:2? So I don't know what is the quantity that I should subtract, but I have to subtract from both ratio. So let me write 7:4 in the fraction form, that is 7/4. Now let me subtract the same quantity. Let me take it as x. So I'll take 7 minus x, 4 minus x. When I subtract with the same quantity, the ratio becomes 5:2. So if I convert this in fraction form, this becomes 5/2. Now let me find the value of x by cross multiplication. So when you multiply, you will get 7 2s are 14 minus 2x is equal to 20 minus 5x. When you shift the constant and variables, you will get 5x minus 2x is equal to 20 minus 14, which is 3x is equal to 6. So therefore you will get x is equal to 2. So when you subtract 2 from the given ratio, you will get 5 is to 2. You can verify 7 minus 2 is 5, 4 minus 2 is 2. So when you subtract with x is equal to 2, you will get the new ratio as 5 is to 2. Question number 5. If A is to B is 2 is to 3, B is to C is equal to 3 is to 5 and C is to D is equal to 5 is to 7, find A is to D. So let me write all the ratios in the fraction form and let me verify is all the A, B, C, D values are same. Then I'll write the new ratio A is to D. So what is A by B? It is 2 by 3. And here what is B by C? It is 3 by 5. Here what is C by D? Here it is 5 by 7. So whenever you have more than one ratio, first you should verify whether all the quantities have the same value. You can see B is 3 here and C is 5. So therefore you can directly write the value of A is to D. So therefore the value of A is to D. What is the value of A? 2. What is the value of D? It is 7. So your new ratio is 2 is to 7. Next we have A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. B is to C is equal to 6 is to 13. Find the value of A is to B is to C. So first let me see what is A by B. It is 2 by 3. And what is B by C here? It is 6 by 13. So see here, B is different in both the cases. So you have to make it same. So for this, for the first ratio, I'll multiply 2 for both. So that A is 4 now and B is 6 now. Now you can write the quantities in terms of ratio because the value of B is 6 here also, 6 here also. So therefore, what is your A is to B is to C? It is the new value of A is 4, B is 6 and C is 13. Next, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4. Find the angle. So, for a triangle, the sum of angles is 180 degree. So, if you have the angles in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4, I'll take it as 2x, 3x, 4x. Then their sum is 180. So, let 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 180. Then what happens? It is 9x is equal to 180 degree. So therefore, x is equal to 20 degree. So now let me find the angles. So what are the angles? So therefore, the angles are, so what is my first angle? 2 into 20, which is equal to 40 degree. Next angle is 3 into 20, which is 60 degree. And the third angle is 4 into 20, which is equal to 80 degree. So how to verify? Just add this. You should get 180, 40, 60, 100, 180, 180. So your answer is correct. Next we have divide 6,000 in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5. So we have to divide 6,000 with 3 ratios. So let me take 3 is to 4 is to 5 as sum of 3x plus 4x plus 5x because the total of these will give you the 6,000. So let 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 6,000. So this is now 12x is equal to 6,000. So therefore your x is equal to 500. Now I will divide with 3 values, that is, so therefore the values are, the first one is 3x, that is 3 into 500, which is 1500. Next one is 4 into 500, which is 2000. Next is 5 into 500, which is 2500. So these are the 3 numbers. How to verify? Add all the number, you will get 6,000. 1500, 2000, 3,500 plus 2,500 is again 6,000. So next question. An article is sold at 20% gain on the cost price. Find the ratio of the selling price and cost price. So I doesn't know the value of cost price as well as selling price, but they have given it is sold for 20% profit on the cost price. We know that profit formula is selling price minus cost price, and profit percentage, profit is equal to profit percentage into cost price. So we will see now what is cost price. So let cost price of an article is X. Next, they have given profit, that is 20% of CP. So what is 20%? 20 by 100 into X. So that is 1 by 5X, or you can take it as X by 5. Now by using this formula, you can see selling price is equal to profit plus cost price. So what is your profit? X by 5, and cost price is X. So when you add it, your selling price is 6X divided by 5. Now we are supposed to take the ratio of selling price and cost price. So SP by CP. So that is 6X by 5 divided by X. So this becomes 6X by 5X. XX get cancelled. So therefore, selling price is to cost price is equal to 6:5. So this is your ratio of selling price and cost price. Next question. If X is to Y is equal to 3:4 and Y is to Z is equal to 7:9, find X is to Y is to Z. So given X by Y is equal to 3/4, and here Y by Z is equal to 7/9. So here you can see the difference. Y is not having the same value. To make or to write the ratio of X, Y, Z, Y should have the same value. So therefore what I'll do, I'll multiply 7 here. When you multiply 7 here, you should also multiply the same quantity for the numerator also. Similarly, I'll multiply with 4 to that ratio. So what happens now? I'll get X by Y is equal to 21 by 28, and Y by Z, I'll get it as 28 divided by 36. Now I have value of Y as same, so I can write all the 3 terms in one ratio. So therefore, X is to Y is to Z is equal to 21 is to 28 is to 36. This is my new ratio. So in today's session, we have taken few problems of 2 marks and 3 marks question on the chapter on the concepts of ratio. We'll continue by taking few more problems and study the important questions on the concept ratios. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, and keep exploring. Thank you.